Well, first up, let's talk about this PNP Lady Patrollers. Ang sabi nga nila, hindi sila nagbibilang ng panalo dito. Ang binibilang nila dito yung experience na nagigain nila. It's the maturity that counts for them. Sabi ni Coach Bob, against the Philippine Army, ang pinaghahandaan nila dito yung blocking at depensa nila. Gelling is also team priority considering na sasamahan na nga sila ng former Letranta import nila na si Pachari Samang. Ang kwento nga niya ay magbabakasyon lang sana siya dito hanggang September 22 at makakasama niya dito yung mga anak ni Coach Nes Pamilyar. Nung una pa daw ay nagpa-practice siya para sa Cagayan Valley pero inalok siya ng kanyang kaibigan na si Tin Tadeo para subukan mag-practice with the PNP team. Nagustuhan siya agad ng coaching staff kaya sinali siya sa PNP team dahil kailangan din nila ng opener for that team. The 35-year-old Thai import is very excited again to be helping the Lady Patrollers considering that they need to step up in today's game because Veronica Concepcion is not 100% okay due to a left sprained ankle. Back to you guys.
Malaking bagay yung si Veronica Concepcion. She has to be 100%. Ang ganda ng diskarte nito si Concepcion para sa PNP. As I was telling you earlier, Michelle, actually she's really a policewoman from Davao. And a good serve there from Jovelyn Gonzaga. At lumamang na po ng malaki itong kupunan ng Philippine Army 10-4. So, yun na, sinasabi ni Bob Malena, may problema pa daw sila sa open hitters. Andiyan naman si Marciano, nandiyan si Molina. Dinagdagan pa ni Sangwang, but it still does not work for PNP as Bob Malena calls a timeout.
Kunin lang muna ang receipt. Wala tayong receipt, kaya wala tayong offensive. I mean, hindi naman yung travel ng bola. Pag maiksi, nakita mo yung bola. Sarado mo yung crossbar. Wala tayong ayos. Huwag talunin ng nito. Pag tinalo tayo nito, dadami ang kalaban. Okay? Laro, wala pressure.
Simpleng-simple talaga mga timeout dito ni Coach Bob. And he's on the point parati, pag kinabahan ka, dumadami kalaban. And I've never heard it put that way before, pero tama siya.
Pero tama. I've never heard it also. Pero kasi totoo pag kinalaban mo pa sarili mo, sino pa kakampi mo?
Ay, well, kalaban mo na rin sarili mo.
Wala na.
Sa kabilang maglaro. Diba? 10-4 right now. 6-point lead para din sa kupunan ng Philippine Army. Veronica Concepcion. At itatawid sana yon ni Francis Molina.
Munti ka na pumasok.
Well, si Molina actually did score earlier on an attack. So 11-4, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. At again, kalaban mo Philippine Army. One of the strongest teams in the country. So talagang may konting kaba na mananaig sa'yo dyan. But you have to get over it really quickly.
Alam mo rin na sila ang posing Philippine team.
Right.
So, mahirap talaga if you're coming from a team na hindi siguro ganun kataas ang confidence, coming from two games na natalo na sila.
Right.
So, of course, we all want to see a good game, di ba?
And we will see a good game the moment itong kupunan ng Philippine National Police continues to get good receptions. Here is, Joan Bunag running attack.
Bumalik na ang center spiker ni Bunag.
Nabantayan mo na rin ito dati, Michelle, si Joan Bunag. What can you say about yung kalakasan nitong kapitan nitong Philippine Army?
Hindi siya ganun kataas tumalon, pero ang lakas ng bola niya, mataas ang kamay. Good, syempre, good take off or approach talaga. So makikita mo talaga na maganda yung naging basic, yung naging training niya throughout her years.
She used to play for the Far Eastern University at ilang kampyonato rin ang nakuha niya ron. As Francis Molina is able to score once again, baba sa 6 ang kalabangan dito ng Lady Troopers. Now Molina is at the back. Service ni Molina, nakuha ni Nene Bautista. Here's Ging Balse. Galing open naman si Nene ngayon. Here's Concepcion. Michelle Datuin. Concepcion once again. Second ball pa lang ito. Tinira kagad ni Marciano. Bautista took something off of that one at nangamote ron si Camilo Gana.
Hindi na nakagalaw?
Oo.
Ay, siguro ina-expect niya na sobrang lakas ng
kung kilala mo naman si Nene, alam mo talaga malakas sa palo, biglang boink.
Nalito ba?
Oo. Hirap din niya, galing ka sa likod
Tsaka ang blocker na sa harapan niya, si Concepcion. And Concepcion, di ganun katangkad. So kung ikaw ang didepensa sa likod, medyo makangatog ang tuhod natin.
Right. Marciano is able to get that one through Carolino. So ito kailangan din ng PNP. 1-2 combination nila from San Beda. Francis Molina and Janine Marciano kailangan gumawa rito. Now Marciano, back to serve. Ang problema, yung dalawa nasa likuran na ngayon. Good reception by Gonzaga. Combination play now for Michelle Carolino. Simpleng-simple.
Hindi mo pwedeng iwanan ng single duck si Michelle Carolino, Noel.
Kahit sino dyan, di ba? Titignan natin po yung ating slow motion replay in just a bit. We will have it later on. 14-7. Philippine Army, dinoble na po ang naitala nitong PNP. Pero ayan na naman yung mga errors. Titignan natin mamaya sa stats kung gaano karaming error nitong Philippine Army. Lamang na sila in that department at least. against itong PNP.
Marami-raming service errors na nagagawa ng Philippine Army.
Here's Ronnie Concepcion.
Kung ikaw taga-PNP, dapat you should take that as something na advantage nyo.
Right. Michelle Carolino ngayon, blocked there by Ogana. Now they set it up for Pachari Sangmuang. Still alive. At tinawid ni Molina. Quick set ngayon para kay Ging Balse. Alam mo, nakikita mo parating yung quick set. Alam mo si Balse titira, but still, ang hirap pigilan.
Mahirap syempre kapag nasa gitna na ang mga bola.
Right. And here is our slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. So Ging Balse,
pag nasa
former
gitna
MVP,
kasi, di ba Noel, ang daming pwedeng daan ng bola.
that's true.
Straight, dalawang kanto.
Ikatchat mo lang yan. Kamote na yung depensa eh.
Nga.
Carolino. Nice dig that time for PNP. Here's Sangmuang into the net.
Unlikely sa ganung katangkad na player.
That's right. And you can see that the Philippine Army is now lording it over the PNP. We'll be right back.
Ako po si SPO3 Jennifer Mia of PNP Team at kayo'y nanonood ng Shakey's V-League Open Conference Season 10.
Sa loob ng court, walang usapan ng edad. Husay at tapang ang labanan. Ito ang Shakey's V-League Season 10 Open Conference. Pira na!
And of course, mga kaibigan, paalala po ang ating airing schedule para sa Shakey's V-League tuwing Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alauna po ng tanghali after balitanghali. And every Saturday po at 12:45 p.m. GMA News TV in partnership with the Shakey's V-League now on its 10th season. 16-8 ngayon. Michelle Datuin, ihuhulog lang sana. Here's Michelle Carolino. And again, a cross-court attack na hindi may spelling ng depensa ng Lady Patrollers.
Kahit defense or kahit blocking, hindi nila makuha yung cross-court attack na kanina pa doon pumupuntos ang Philippine Army.
Well, now it's a 9-point lead para sa Lady Troopers. Again, a bad reception from Molina.
It was a good serve. It was a really good serve.
Ging Balse causing a timeout to be called by Bob Malena. Our friends from Mikasa, salamat. The official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Timeout PNP.
Wala kasi tayong receipt, kaya nadadamay lahat. Huwag mo kasi sa lugi ganun, tapat mo lang. Kumurba, yamong kumurba, tapat mo lang. Nakaipit sa dalawang balikat, alanganin, taas mo, bola pa rin natin. Sa akin, coach pa rin. Ha? Kaya nadamay na lahat eh, wala tayong receipt.
Sa mga hindi po nakakilala kay Bob Malena, dati po manlalaro yan ng FEU. At dami rin kampyonato na nakuha para sa FEU at suffered a leg injury. Caused him to stop playing volleyball. Laging referee pa natin dito sa Shakey's V-League yan.
Him.
And then eventually becoming a head coach dito sa PNP. Actually doing a very good job. Ang problema, 10 naman ang inahabol na kanyang mga bata. Tadeo on the reception. Concepcion ngayon, free ball coming up from Sangmuang, Gonzaga, Salak, and they go to Jovelyn. Ang dami talagang option nitong Philippine Army.
Combination play.
Oo. Combination.
Walang awa.
Akala nga ibibigay sa open. Tingnan mo. Mukhang tatapon sa open dito eh. Biglang, uy, gitna pala.
Yan ang magagawa ng isang magaling na Tina Salak. Isang magaling at matangkad na setter.
I would think Tina Salak is one of the best all-time in that position. Dating middle hitter yan, eh?
And pag nag-set siya, di ba, Noel, nakita mo parang nag-float yung bola sa ere.
Hindi mo alam kung saan tuloy pupunta as Pachari Sangmuang is able to penetrate the defense of the Philippine Army. Pero 10 pa rin ang hinahabol ngayon itong PNP. Datuin to serve. Here's Shatan Torres getting it. And again, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Delayed na nga yung combination eh. Sorry na nga si Gonzaga, hindi ko nabasa, coach. Sorry. Pero gumawa pa rin sila.
Pero puntos pa rin.
Oo.
Pero at least kasi nalito talaga nila yung blockers ng kabila. Pag nalito mo yung blockers ng kabila, siguradong single or open block ang makukuha ng spikers mo.
Hanggang ngayon, nag-apologize pa rin kay Ate Tina niya. Ito si Jovelyn Gonzaga who's only, 22 years old. Yan din, isang 20-year-old na si
Molina.
Frances Molina is able to score. Maganda rito kay Molina. Pag maganda set sa kanya, baon na baon ng palo niyan.
Kasi ang taas din tumalon ng batang to. Mas bata na siya sa akin ngayon.
Uy, 21 ka na. Mamaya sabihin mo kung yung birthday wish mo.
Oh, birthday wish.
Nice block there coming from Marciano. Masyado malapit. And Ogana is able to put it away. 4 touches. Hindi daw nahawakan ni Ogana. So again, these little errors para sa Philippine Army. Ngayon, first set, baka makuha pa nila. Pero second set, kung ganyan pa laruin nila, naku, kakapitalize na dyan ng PNP.
Ang magandang panoorin sa Philippine Army, kahit ganito na sila kalamang, hindi sila nagiging kampante talaga.
Concepcion now setting it to Marciano. That is blocked by Gonzaga. Bunag gets it across. Eto ngayon si Concepcion. Back set. Camille Ogana. Hindi na itawid.
Hindi ata sila nag-abot ng setter.
That's true. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Palitan ng tao dito. Ito po si Kapitan Mia. Team captain of the team, Jennifer Mia, seeing her first action.
She's got a lot of fans here in San Juan Arena.
Anong area kaya siya nagpupulis? Pulis din yan eh.
Pero hindi niya ka-hairstyle yung mga iba.
Hindi. Talagang mukha siyang volleyball player.
Yes, with a ponytail.
Right. Good
the
drop.
long hair.
Good drop there coming from Marciano. 21-12. Nakikita natin dito, Marciano took something off of that at walang coverage. Ang layo ng pinanggalingan ni Shasha Torres.
Kailangan utakan na nga lang talaga kapag ganyan kagugulang ang mga kalaban ng
Ang lakas,
Philippine Army.
oo. I mean, you have to give it to them as Mia knocks it into the net. You have to give it to the Philippine Army. They are stacked in every position.
And hindi lang yan, hindi matatapos sa first 6 nila yan. May bench and second 6 pa sila. Malalim ang bench.
Yung bench nila, ang dami mga player din ng national team. Nandyan din sila Ers Iratay,
Nagpapahinga ba?
Mayet Carolino. Naku, marami pa dyan. As Joan Buna gives it back again.
Deja vu ako dun Same.
Exactly the same mistake. Titignan natin ngayon. Ito si Francis Molina. If she can convert on her serve. Better serve. Salak, hinabol. Jovelyn Gonzaga, itatawid. Mia, that to win. At saka si Robbie Remillo seeing her first action at setter. Nagbanggaan that time.
Nagkahiyaan or
Hindi, wala nagsabi ng mine. Inassume lang nila na kanila. Bautista on the serve. Tadeo, Robbie Remigio now on the back set to Francis make that Janine Marciano.
Mataas. Ang taas na tumalon.
Silang dalawa. Yan dalawa. Molina, Marciano. At saka, I have something to share with you. No? Pinanood ko sila nagpa-practice. Itong lahat sila nag-water break in between, di ba?
Yes.
Gawain naman. Ito si Marciano, hindi mag-water break, mag-walling yan. During the water break. Hindi inom ng tubig yan. Ganun ka-addict sa volleyball yan.
mas ma-effort.
Right. Marciano gets to it. Robbie Remigio on the attack. Salak ngayon. Quick set to Balse. Hahabulin ito ni Molina. And a free ball will be given up here by PNP. Here's Bautista. Salak now to Michelle Carolino. Ang dami talagang sandata nitong mga hukbong katihan ng Pilipinas.
Ang lalim nun.
Yun ang kanilang pangalan.
Hindi ko kinaya.
Hukbong katihan ng Pilipinas.
Ang sarap siguro. Nasa posisyon ka ni Tina Salak. Ang daya mong spikers na pwedeng bigyan ng bola.
That's right.
Ang daya mong options. Lahat, high percentage pa.
And isa pa dyan, lahat ng players na yan, multi-position ang nilalaro ng mga yan.
Mapa-backline, mapa-frontline.
Right. Here's Remigio now. That's too near. And Gonzaga cannot convert. Well, she doesn't have to kasi net violation against Sangmuang. At dyan po magtatapos itong ating first set. So, an easy first set picked up by the Philippine Army despite yung number of errors na nakuha nila Rod Michelle. Makikita natin ang ating shaky-shaking play dito. Another Michelle trying to attack. Simple as Michelle Carolino gets that play done. Philippine Army takes the first set. Puntahan po natin ang mga numero na nakuha ng Philippine Army kontra sa PNP nung nakuha nila yung ating first set. Makikita mo naman yung attack points. You're talking about the number of options para kay Tina Salak. Lahat yata napuntahan niya ng first set.
15 versus 7.